Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the details about the decoders in digital electronics. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic decoder. A decoder is a multi-input, multi-output logic circuit which convert coded input into coded outputs where the inputs and output codes are different. So that decoder is a multi-input and multi-output logic circuit. That is nothing but n input and 2 to the power n output. Right? It is just opposite of the decoder. This is encoder. Encoder means 2 to the power n input, n output. Decoder means n input and 2 to the power n outputs. The diagram shows the general structure of the decoder circuit. As shown in the diagram, the encoded information is presented as n inputs, producing 2 to the power n possible outputs. The 2 to the power n outputs values are ranging from 0 to 0 through 2 to the power n minus 1. Now we will see the diagram having n input and 2 to the power n possible outputs. Now we will see the block diagram how we are producing the output. So this is the decoder, n input, 2 to the power n outputs. This is the n possible inputs are available. This is the 2 to the power n possible outputs. In order to enable or disable the decoder, we have enable input is available. If enable input is given, then only the decoder will produce the output. If the enable input is 0, means the decoder is disabled. Now we will see one example. Usually a decoder is provided with a enable input to activate the decoded output based on the data inputs. When any of the enable input is unassorted, all the output of the decoder is disabled. Right? In order to enable or disable, we are using the enable input. If enable input is not there, you will not get any output. Right? So we have n input, 2 to the power n output. Let us consider n equal to 2. So that 2 is to 2 to the power 2. That is 2 is to 4. Right? So 2 inputs and 4 outputs. There are 2 input. 2 input mean 2 digits. A, B. 4 output mean 4 digits. Y3, Y2, Y1, Y0. 4 possible outputs. Right? 2 digits mean 2 input mean here the 2 digits. Right? 2 digits mean there are 4 possibilities available. The input may be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1. There are 4 possibilities. So 2 digit 4 possibilities. So these 4 possibilities will produce the 4 different outputs. For example, A and B is 0, 0 mean Y0 will be 1. Other in outputs are 0. This is the first possible output. 0, 1 means A and B is 0, 1 means Y1 will be 1, then other outputs are zeros. A and B is 1, 0 means Y2 will be 1, other outputs are 0. If it is 1, 1, A and B is 1, 1 mean Y3 will be 1, other outputs are zeros. Right? So with the 4 possible input, we are getting 4 different outputs. That is Y0 is 1, other are 0. Y1 is 1, other are 0, Y2 is 1, other digits are 0, Y3 is 1, other digits are 0. So we are getting 4 possible outputs. So this is the function of the decoder, right? 2 input mean 2 digits, 4 possibilities. Based on the 4 possibilities, we will get the 4 different output. That is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y1, Y3 may be 1, other digits are zeros. So this is the function of the decoder. So in this video we discuss the basic block diagram of the decoder, and we discuss if n equal to 2, what is the possible output. We discuss the input as well as output. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.